up, and welcome back to Josh Girl. I'm back with another banging video. Don't mind my face breaking out, y'all. Your girl. Gotta get this thing on her. But anyways, y'all, listen. I got a prank to do on Donna's called Making Dirty Noises While My Boyfriend Is Cooking prank. So, I haven't really been seeing people do this prank, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I thought it was funny and... you know, I gotta get Donna's with something good, so I thought this would be funny and this is gonna catch him off guard. So I was thinking that I'm gonna say that we're like vlogging him cooking because Donna's in there cooking. We're eating tacos tonight, which is our favorite food. So y'all, I thought this was a perfect time because we're in a good mood. I'm in a really good mood. So I was like, I'm about to prank him. I'm not about to just chill and sit around and not do nothing while he's cooking. I'm about to prank him. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so be notified anytime I post a new banger video, y'all. And I'm about to go ahead and get this prank started, y'all. I'm about to just go in there with the camera and just vlog him cooking and make dirty noises. So let's get it. Tell him what we cooking today. Is telling us what?
What we cooking, man? We cooking these.
Jenna.
Cooking tacos, y'all.
Bye.
And Chef Adonis is doing it though.
Chef who?
Chef Adonis is doing it though.
Chef Adonis.
Say what you doing? What you twerking or?
No.
Get your breath.
Yeah, while you're doing that, I guess I'm gonna straighten up the counter and stuff and yeah. I love tacos. I can't wait. They smell fire already, and that's just the hamburger meat. What? I guess.
What's wrong? Why you keep making that noise?
That food's about to be so fire. Let me smell it. Let me smell it.
What you smell it?
Oh, it smells so good, though.
You didn't have to do all
Don't
that.
it smell so good?
Yeah, but damn. You gonna burn your nose?
My God, it smells so good. Let me smell it one more time.
What it smell like? It smell fire, don't it?
Let me smell it.
Tell me, bro.
Look, y'all gonna see me take a...
Y'all
about to
know
see me...
how to cook.
Y'all about to see me take a whiff
cook,
of the meat.
Bro.
Cause the meat... Let me see. Let me smell it again. Let me smell it again. Oh my God. That smells so good. It smells so good, doesn't it? I just can't wait to eat. Say what's up, y'all.
What's up, y'all?
It's gonna be so fun. Come here.
What?
It's gonna be so fun. Can't wait to eat.
What's wrong with you?
Can't wait.
I feel like it's missing something.
What?
I don't know, but it's missing something.
Babe, I don't know. Something about...
It's missing something, y'all.
It's something about the meat making that noise.
Hmm?
The meat's making that noise.
That what?
That noise.
What kind of noise, dude?
You hear it?
Hey, why you acting strange?
Look, this noise. That noise. You see?
Yeah, I see.
It's making all those noises. I can't wait to eat my food. Good.
What's wrong?
Yeah. I'm just singing. I'm just singing a song about the food. Yeah. Food. I'm still in a good mood because I love tacos, y'all. That's why I can't just stop talking because I love food.
You know that's the hardest stuff to get off stuff.
I hate it.
I hate that. That's what got me. It was like right here, bro.
What's wrong with you? Let me tell you. Hold on, let me tell you.
Oh, your boy over here whipping it. Yes, sir. That little bad boy on. Oh, you feel me? That's how you do it. What's up, y'all? He said, come on, mama.
Now I gotta get a new one.
Bruh, Leah is not, bruh. Come on, babe.
What, babe?
She don't know. Watch the silverware, bruh.
I ain't down.
She Patty. She be trying to leave that shit for me, bruh.
Because I'm ready about eating the
Hey,
food.
y'all. I love
I'm about
y'all.
to right now.
Come
About to.
girl.
You ain't have to do it. You ain't have to do that.
You ain't gotta be doing all that.
You ain't gotta do all that weird stuff.
Keep moaning and stuff in my ear and stuff. Shoot.
I do what?
Moaning.
No, I'm not.
That's what it sound like.
No,
What
I'm
you
not.
trying to do tonight, baby? She keep doing that, y'all. Shoot. She keep playing with me. Alright, y'all. So, look. I think I know what Leah's doing, y'all. She trying to prank me, bro. You feel me? I think she's trying to do some weird moaning noises, you feel me? But I'm about to reverse this prank on her, y'all. I'm gonna fall into it, you feel me, bro? I got y'all. Watch this. I'm gonna fall into her Hello, Moaning. Watch this. I got it, y'all. Watch. She thinks she's slick, y'all. Hello, where it at? She thinks she's slick. She ain't slick. Well, I'm about to smash these tacos, though, y'all.
Squad, we got the jumbo. Big old jumbo-y. Jumbo shells.
You got the jumbo shells, babe?
Yeah,
You got the
jumbo shells. You can get off of me, babe.
What? Oh, you gonna put them in the oven too, babe?
Babe, you don't shut your ass up and get out right here like that for real. Yeah. Look at them.
Is you really gonna put them in the oven too, babe?
Yeah.
Is that what you gonna do?
Ain't they huge?
Yes, they huge too.
Look.
Real big.
Oh, you gotta be nasty.
Why you gotta be nasty? What?
Come on then, babe. Where's the stuff?
What?
Get the seasoning stuff,
The
babe.
seasoning.
Oh my gosh, babe. Look at this banana. You see that bananas? Don't they look so good? I ain't had a banana in a minute. Who likes bananas on our channel?
I ain't gonna lie, bananas is fire.
Bananas is so fire. So fire. So good. So good. Bananas. It's bananas.
Hey, why you keep making that noise?
It's bananas.
Okay, look.
Bananas. Bananas.
How's your school going, Julia?
Oh yeah, man on the phone. Oh my god, he was getting my nerves.
Same man wonder every time. Julia.
All right, gotta put these bad boys in the oven. Put them in that oven. Make them in the oven. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I'm ready to eat this food. Y'all don't understand how bad I've been wanting some tacos. Oh, we had Mexican food the other night, and I can't wait to make my own tacos.
Stop making that damn noise.
What's wrong?
Fat.
We eat over here, y'all. We eat. Your girl eating 3 tacos. I could probably eat 4, but I ain't trying to tell y'all.
I don't do all that.
Tacos. Hey, get off of me for a minute. Why you gonna do all that on camera? Why you gonna do all that on camera? You had to do all that. You really did. You ain't gotta do all that. Why you trying to be nasty? Move.
I'm trying to eat some of it.
Eat it all up. Like that.
Okay, come on, babe. Okay.
Man, I'm just pranking you. You hear Marissa's thing saying, whoop, 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 like that sucked. Anyways, babe, I'm pranking you.
But I already knew it was a prank, babe.
How? How?
Cause, bro.
How'd you know, babe? Because you got me messed up. How'd you know?
Bro, when you ever moan, babe. Like
What?
that, bro. When do you ever moan like that, bro?
In the bed, boy, what you talking about?
Exactly, bro. Come on, now. You ain't never do that shit.
Shut
I
up.
don't never be doing that.
It's okay. It's okay. It's still Team Liah. I was bored, so I wanted to prank you doing something.
Ain't that right, y'all? I already knew.
Shut up.
I just knew it was up. But she don't never moan like that, y'all.
Team Liah, we took his L. We're gonna take his L, but it's alright. Anyways, y'all, let me go ahead and do shout outs for this little pranky prank I did on Adonis. You feel what I'm saying? I had to do a little something on Ladonis Mayfield. But it's cool.
Don't you at me make you wanna go like that?
The video was a fail, but it's alright. The prank was a fail. But I thought it was just something, something to do. Had to do something different. So whatever. Okay. Shout out goes to Shania Jones. Shout out to you. You know we love you. Peace.